Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nkanyusi Lamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. So now we are on the phase where I show you how to create a winning ad. So when creating an ad, I think the best way to do it in today's times is to advertise through Instagram Reels. So we will be creating a 1 minute video. So when creating a video, there's two things that you need. One, you're going to need ad copy or script. And then second, we're going to need ad content, so ad material, so your videos or your pictures. So essentially, we want to get a script, and the script will guide us or the videographer in terms of what images or videos that we have to put together and edit so that we have a 1 minute video that we can advertise on Instagram. Sorry about that. So back in the day, we used to need to have a copywriter, but now what I'm going to show you is an AI that I've been using to help me create copy for my social media platforms, and it's called Chat GPT. So we're going to click Chat GPT. I'm just going to show you which one. So it's by OpenAI. So click on the Chat GPT. So if all you got to do is register for an account here, or sign up through Google, and then once you get onto this page, what we're gonna do is try Chat GPT. Now we on the dashboard of the platform. So it's a very simple concept. All we got to do is type in there, create an ad script for my 1 minute Instagram reel video for teeth whitening brand. So my goal here is to ask this AI to generate a framework or a script for our 1 minute reel, and we'll use this script to guide us in finding and sourcing the images and video clips online so that we can cut up and edit and then turn into a video that we can post and advertise on Instagram and Facebook. So over here, wherever we see announcer, is we can just put that as voiceover or the text that we're going to use as a heading. So opening shot of a smiling person with bright white teeth. So we're going to find an image online with someone with bright white teeth, use that for the first second, and then announcer, are you tired of yellow stained teeth? So this could be a heading, or we can use it as a voiceover and say cut to shots of people drinking coffee, tea, and wine. And this is literally what we'll go and find on the internet, videos or images that literally express this text here. We're going to chop it up together and we'll put it into a video editor. And yeah, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the script to create an actual 1 minute reel that we can post and promote. Thank you. See you in the next video.